Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where every stroke tells a story. Today, prepare to embark on a creative journey as we delve into the art of drawing an irregular heart. Let's unlock the magic of self expression together. Begin by embracing the uniqueness of your imagination as you sketch the outline of our irregular heart. Let your hand flow freely, allowing the lines to dance across the canvas in an organic and unpredictable manner. As you bring your irregular heart to life, remember that imperfection is where true beauty lies. Embrace the irregularities, the asymmetry, and the quirks that make your heart uniquely yours. Now it's time to infuse your creation with color. Choose a palette that reflects the depth of your imagination, bold and vibrant, and soft and subtle. Let each hue blend and meld together, creating a tapestry of feelings and experiences. As you add the final touches to your artwork, consider the journey that brought you to this moment. Each line, each color is a reflection of your innermost thoughts and feelings, a testament to the power of self expression through art. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, a beautiful irregular art that speaks volume without uttering a word. Remember, art is not about perfection, but about the journey of discovery and self expression. Thank you for joining us on this artistic adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep following your heart. This is Artistic Adventures by Rosie signing off. Happy drawing!